Ano ang impact sa'yo ni Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy?
Simple lang, sundin ang kalooban ng Ama. Sabi ni Pastor, you cannot love God if you cannot obey His words.
Dahil sa mga pangangaral ni Pastor tungkol sa pag-ibig, na bago niya ang buhay ko. At hindi lang ang buhay ko, kundi ang buong pamilya ko.
Alam mo, ang gandang tanong yan. Kasi ang turo talaga sa amin ni Pastor na walang hinanakit sa kapwa at your love lang talaga yung ibigay. At saka naalala ko, turo talaga ni Pastor na mahalin mo yung kaaway mo at higit sa lahat, mahalin mo yung Panginoon.
From being lasanggera and from being pasaway to my parents, the Father through His appointed Son, Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy, changed me and give me a new life.
How far are you willing to obey, Pastor?
Hanggang sa huling hininga ko, I will die following the will of the Almighty Father no matter what.
Hanggang sa huling buhay ko. Thank you, Pastor.
In eternity siguro.
And now that I am here in the Kingdom Nation, I'm willing to obey and follow the Father through His appointed Son, no matter what.